honor of the well-known holiday, no, not 4th of July, not Thanksgiving, not Christmas, but Give Something Away Day, I am going to give one lucky winner this mug. Just kidding, I'm not going to give you a used mug. Nice as it is, but I do have an upgraded version of this mug. So this one has the correct font in the logo and the colors are brighter. Here. Comment on this post. This is posted on a couple platforms. Hannah and I will draw one random lucky comment and this mug is yours. Give Something Away Day.